Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CarPlay in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Next, connect your iPhone to the USB port in your Jeep using a high-quality, certified cable. It is important that your iPhone is unlocked and running a current version of iOS for a smooth connection. This initial step ensures your devices are ready to communicate effectively. Once your iPhone is connected, turn your attention to the Uconnect touchscreen. Navigate to the Apps menu, which is typically found on the main screen. From there, locate and select the Apple CarPlay icon. The system will then guide you through a few prompts, asking for permissions. Be sure to accept these to allow CarPlay to function properly with your vehicle's system. Now, shift your focus back to your iPhone. You will see a prompt asking if you want to allow CarPlay to connect. Tap Allow to proceed. There might also be a brief set of terms and conditions to review and accept on your phone. Once these steps are completed, your iPhone's interface will seamlessly mirror onto your Jeep's Uconnect display, indicating a successful connection. Congratulations, your CarPlay is now fully set up. You can now easily access your favorite navigation apps, stream music, and send messages directly from your Uconnect screen. For hands-free operation, simply press the voice command button on your steering wheel to activate Siri. Remember, you can personalize your app arrangement by adjusting settings on your iPhone, making your driving experience even more convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.